Alright, here goes the Estes orange bullet on an A8-3. Good luck. Please come back to me. Holy shit, where is that? Oh my god. That is gone, ain't it? I don't know if I see it. Might have to come back tomorrow with the drone. Okay, so it's the next day. I don't know if y'all can see it off in the distance. Maybe I zoomed in the wrong spot. Hold on, let me. That little orange speck, I'm pretty sure that's it. I'm pretty sure that's the orange bullet. It's too orange to be anything else. That's gotta be it. That's gotta be it. Oh, that's it. That's it. We're getting it back. We're getting it back. Oh, yeah, and it's in perfect condition. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. Alright, this is going to be the Estes Bandit 1 on an half A 3-4T, if I remember right. Failed parachute opening. Here goes the Estes Bandit 2 on another 1/2 A 3-4T. Come on, parachute. Alright, here goes the Estes Bandit 3 on a 1/2 A 3-4T as well. There we go, parachute.